the yam.
New Echols Virtual Academy champion. Fear the Yam. Yeah, boy. Will she be able to defeat Christopher, or will she fall? WWE champion, Mighty Miley, destroying competition since day one at Historymania. Will the reign continue, or will Miss Bray's class get the gold through William? The Golden Classroom, still dominating every classroom at Rockridge Elementary. Can they continue their reign, or will the classes of the 4th grade finally put them in their place? The teacher champion, Miss Snyder, reigns supreme, taking down every teacher in the 4th grade. Only one victim left, Miss Edwards. Or will the hunter become the hunter?
Miss Edwards might think she has a chance to win, but there's no way she beats me.
Historymania 39, the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat. Who will reign supreme and go on to Historymania 40 as champion? Are you ready? Echols Virtual Academy and Rockridge Elementary present Historymania 39.
Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion.
We're the champion sound.
Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion.
We're the champion sound.
Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion.
We're the champion sound.
Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion.
We're the champion sound. 20th century heavyweight championship.
Remain solid when most just fade away.
The champion, Miss Snyder,
of what we face
versus
around the way.
the challenger, Miss Edwards.
Forever ready if there's ever a problem. Haters don't want none till I'm moving caution.
You could never stop
AEW title match. The champion, Daria, versus the challenger, Linda.
Take another of the wedding cake, bob it out. Dr. Green Thumb, I prescribe it out. Competition, wipe them out. Fastball, strike them out.
WWE championship match. The champion, Miley, versus the challenger, William.
Champion sound.
Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion.
Universal Class Team Championship match. The champion, the Golden Class
Place. I'm the one that set it
versus the challenger,
Celebrate. We've been
all
winning so long.
other 4th grade classes.
Hold on. But this that almighty Cypress Hill. Stop a hater real quick, evacuate the building.
And for your main event,
the
Echols Virtual Academy New World Championship, the champion, Fear the Yam, Yamale, versus the challenger, Krista.
Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion.
Historymania 39.
We the champion. I the champion.
Are you
Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion. Who's the champion? We the champion. I the champion.
With the champion sound.